How to fix could not create your account. Your account cannot be created at this time error on your iPhone. So guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be tackling this issue. So let's get started. First, just go ahead to your settings, go to your general and check if your software is up to date. If it's not, just update your software. After doing so, you'll need to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a really strong internet connection. You can try to turn on and turn off airplane mode too. So after you've done that, you can just go back and open up Safari. After you open up Safari, just type in account.apple.com, or you can simply type in appleid.apple.com. You'll get redirected to this very page. Now you can create an account using this website. You can scroll through this website. You can create new account. As you can see right here, there is an option to create your Apple account. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll get redirected to another page from where you can create your account. So just go through this process and you'll basically have created your new account on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.